One of the most important things that you must not take for granted as a website owner is the security of your website. Now, websites can be hacked at any time because there are some people that their job is to hack into websites, steal data, or even hack it in a way that they will want you to pay some money before you can have your website up and running. And one of the things that you can experience is waking up one day and discovering that your website has been hacked, because the process of recovering it might not be as easy as you may think it. All right. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can secure your website from attacks, from hackers, and also from malware using a free plugin called Wordfence. All right. While on the WordPress dashboard, go to plugin and click on the add new plugin, and you are going to come to the search bar here and you search for Wordfence. Now, there are so many other security plugins as you can see on this page, but Wordfence is one of the best security plugins to secure your website, and that is what we are going to use. On the plugins dashboard here, you are going to see Wordfence here. As you can see, it has 5+ million active installations. So that tells you how good this plugin is. And as you can see here, it can help you with your firewall, malware scanner, two-factor authentication, comprehensive security features, powered by 24-hour team, and everything that has to do with the security of your website. Wordfence can help you achieve that. So let's click on it and just install, and then continue the setup process. So you click on activate. Now, next you are going to do is to get your WordPress license. So if you have an existing license before on another website, you can actually use that license. But right now we are going to set up a new license. So we are going to click on get your Wordfence license. Okay, so we click on it and it's going to open to a new tab where we are going to select this free license account. So you click on this get free license and they say yes, you choose this lapse option that I'm okay to wait 30 days for protection from new threats. So what it means, if you read here, is that if you choose this option, which is the free option, now it might take up to 30 days before they can scan and protect your website from new threats. But you can be doing that manually if you are on the free plan. Okay, now I'll click on that and it will ask me to provide the email address where my license will be sent. So I'm going to put in this email address and I tick this accept terms and condition. I don't want to get any alerts, but if you want, you can set up alerts so that once there is any issue on your website, maybe your website is down, website has been attacked or whatever, you will get notified immediately on your email. So I don't want that. I'm going to click on register and it's creating a free account for me, right? Okay, so you say you're almost done. You're going to check your email and complete the installation. All right, so let me open the email that we are going to use, which happens to be this. So let me reload it. Okay, so let's wait for the license key to drop. Probably I might need to refresh this page. Okay, so as you can see, our Wordfence license has come in. So we open it to check. So now we have two options. So we can actually copy this manual license key and then go back to our WordPress dashboard and paste the license key, or we can click on this install my license automatically and the license will be installed on our website. So let's choose that option and see how it goes. All right, so it has embedded our email and also embedded our license key here. So next we are going to do is to click on install license. All right, so congratulations, your Wordfence is now active. So we'll go to dashboard to complete the remaining process. So next we are going to do here, you can go through all this, information telling you what each of the feature does. Okay, so this is where you monitor your Wordfence protection. This is your global Wordfence options and all of that. So next thing we are going to do is to click here to configure. So this is very important to set up a web application firewall for your website. Okay, so it will prompt you to download .ht access file so that you can keep it. Peradventure anything happens when you are doing this setup. Now, if you don't know what .ht access file is, I made a video where I explained what it is and how you can find it on your file manager inside your cPanel. All right, so if you don't know what it is or you've not watched that video, I will drop the link in the description and also somewhere up here so that you can watch that video to understand what .ht access is all about. Okay, so I'm going to click on download ht access. Just click on save, then click on continue. If you've not downloaded this, you cannot proceed with the continue. All right, so make sure you download. Nice work, your firewall is now optimized. So what happened is that it has inserted some keys or some codes inside our .ht access file that can help secure our website. Remember, when you watch that video, I mentioned that one of the things .ht access does is to secure your website, improve the security of your website. So now we have done that, so we can also enable this to update automatically, but because sometimes some updates can affect your website, so I will not do the automatic updates now. So I click on no thanks. Okay, so this is the score that we have so far, and we have Bruce protection, so this stops password guessing attacks. So real-time IP block, firewall is active, and a whole lot of that. So you can also open all these other features and enable other things based on the need that you have. Okay, some of the default settings here is actually okay to protect your website, so you can go through, understand what each and every one of them does, and enable whatever you need to enable, because each person's need will all definitely be different based on what they are also using that website for. Okay, so this is how this plugin is going to be protecting your website now, because it has been activated, firewall has been set up, and a whole lot of that. So it's still trying to understand your website, so later on you may see a higher score. All right, so you can also scan your website, and that is one of the things you are going to be doing often. So once in a while you need to come into your WordPress dashboard and go to Wordfence, and you come to this scan. All right, come to scan, click on scan, and it's going to bring you to this page. So where it's going to, so like now this is a new installation, so any of the features you open here is going to take you like a walkthrough. So Wordfence scans your looks for malware, malicious URLs, and patterns of infections by examining all the files, your posts, your comments, everything that is on your website. So it checks your server also and monitors if there is any reputation, like any infiltration into your server. Okay, so that is what it does. So you can also manage your scan options. Some of the features here are paid, so you need to be on the pro version to use some of the features. All right, so now you can click here to start your first scan. All right, so once in a while, like I said, always come in here and click on start new scan. So it's going to scan your website and check the server state, check file changes, like all your WordPress files. If there is any changes that has been made, it's going to check it. It's going to check for malware. It's going to check for content safety, public files, those files that people can see. You can also check your password strength, check your vulnerability scan, and also check users. So sometimes some malwares can introduce some users into your WordPress website. So this plugin helps to scan, fish out those users that you did not add by yourself and give you option to delete them. If you detect a file that has an issue or that is infected or that has a malware, it can give you option to work on it, edit it, or delete it completely. You can also use this option to delete any file, anyone that is deletable, though it will give you a warning that you must be very careful with whatever you find. So if there's also plugins that needs to be updated, it will also scan and list it here for you. Then here you can also use it to repair any file that has been corrupted, so it can help you to repair it and all of that. So this is one of the things you may need to be doing whenever you need to do like a routine check or routine maintenance on your website. Okay, right, so these are all the tools which you can open and see what each and every one of them does. You can also improve the login security of your website, so where you can actually include like a two-factor authentication and all of that. Okay, so that is one other thing this plugin can help you to achieve. So you can set up two-factor authentication and a whole lot of that. So this is one important tool, like I said, that you need to install on your website. It's going to help improve the security of your website, so that even if there is any attack, all right, on your website, any malware, infiltration and all of that, this plugin is going to help you fight it, remove it, and protect your website from attack. All right, so go ahead, find this plugin. I'll put the link to this plugin in the description as well, so that you can install it on your website and start protecting your website. Please don't leave your website to chance, because some attacks can actually wipe off everything on your website, even including database. All right, but with a security plugin like Wordfence, you have reduced to a very large extent the rate of attack that can happen on your website. So if you have questions, please drop it in the comment section. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell notification so that you will know when I upload a new video, and I will see you in the next one.